Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your Realme 9. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store and from here begin the search for an app. Write Firefox browser and hit the search button. Select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we can open our app and from here customize it. You can change the theme from light to dark or set it automatic, pick your toolbar placement from bottom or top, change always on privacy settings from strict to default or reverse, and synchronize Firefox between other devices by signing up. You also should read this privacy notice, and after all that, click Start Browsing and your browser will be ready. You can open any website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.